I think the greatest opportunity that our clients have, given what's going on in the healthcare environment today, especially with the passage of the healthcare reform legislation a year ago, is rethinking how they engage with physicians. Historically, hospitals have really approached their engagement with physicians and recruitment of physicians really from a perspective of how many physicians do I need and how do I go about attracting those physicians to my organization. Really just kind of a numbers game. In the future, they're really going to have to focus on which types of physicians do I really want to bring into my organization, because as an organization I need to start thinking about how will certain physicians impact my strategic goals, my financial performance goals, my clinical quality needs, all of those different areas, so that I ensure that I'm achieving the performance I need to under the new legislation. The healthcare organizations that we're working with today are really changing the types of questions that they're asking us to assist them with. They're starting to ask us questions such as, how do I determine what are the characteristics of the physicians that I want for my organization? What types of data do I need to be looking at? One of our recent clients that we worked with, a large tertiary medical center, they were looking at not only trying to address the question of how do I drive the volume that I need to bring into my organization to help support my financial goals, but also looking at the physicians I have today, are they the right ones that I need to meet my goals in the future. So instead of just looking at the medical staff and saying, how many physicians do I have in these specialties, we really began to dig into what's really going on with each of these physicians. How much of their business am I getting? What type of business am I getting from these physicians? And how are they performing from both a clinical quality perspective as well as resource utilization? Because all of those things together begin to really impact how my organization is going to perform, and how this client was going to perform was really dependent on what types of physicians were there. Once they understood how many of those physicians and what types of characteristics they had, then they could finally understand how many did they truly need to recruit to fill the gaps that they had.